3, 2, 1.
Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. What you see in front of you guys here is the Dynastar Snarky. This is a super cool model rocket kit by Dynastar, of course. I mean, it just looks awesome. It looks like a fighter jet. It has all these cool decals, a very unique fin profile, as you can see. It has like these wings, has this scoop, all this. So I make a really sick model rocket kit. And we're going to be launching this today. Now, I actually made a video of the build on this channel, so that's really cool. I have like the entire build process, review of the components, that sort of thing. So if you're interested in that, interested in more info on this rocket, be sure to check it out. This rocket has shown up on the channel before at our last launch. We tried to launch this one, but the rocket that we were going to launch right before this one straight up exploded on the pad. Which if you're interested in that, another shameless plug, go check that video out. It's on the channel. But the motor for that rocket was the same. We had the same motor, or a motor from the same pack, and this guy. And well, we were like, you know what? You only live once. Let's just go for it. Let's try to launch it. And the motor didn't go off at first. So at that point, we were like, okay, that might be divine intervention, something like that. Let's not push our luck. I don't want this rocket. This is a really cool looking rocket. I don't want to lose another really cool rocket to a Kato. So let's just scrub the launch, if you will, push it back. So now we are here today, and we're going to be launching it, this time on a slightly bigger motor, actually. This is a Estes E12-6 motor. And as you can see here, we have the mount for the Estes Universal Astrocam, because obviously we need good footage. So if you guys don't remember this, I have a little review on this on the channel. This is a really cool little camera. It just turns on. I might have to charge it, which I will go do it, but it turns on with like the click of this button. Press it to record. You just slide that in this mount that is included here. And this mount can go on any rocket. I have it on this one. And then you just take a rubber band. It's secure. It's not coming off. Boom. You launch this thing. It really won't affect the drag, or it will affect the drag a little bit. It might affect the peak altitude, but it won't like knock this rocket off course or anything, especially with such big fins. You're gonna get some really cool footage. And so if you're excited to see that, well, let's get on with the launches.
Okay. Ready? 3, 2, 1. One. 2, 1.
Boom. What more can I say? That was a pretty perfect launch. I mean, the thing went up nicely. This very cool looking rocket. Oh my goodness. Love how this looks. Um, Went up perfectly. I have the Astrocam off now, by the way. Just I had to take the video out, as you guys saw. That looked really cool, didn't it? I mean, it flew up nice and high, very good. Came right down. This rocket does have a very big parachute recommended for it. Luckily, the winds were really in our favor today. Like there were some winds, but then they'd like keep changing direction, so it kind of kept it over the same spot in the end. It ended up being like only like 50 feet from the pad, and as you saw, I caught it. Right, it's pretty cool, right? Yeah, that is. Anyways, the only slight thing is there's a slight like notch right here from the shock cord. That was really to be expected. This rocket is recommended for E12 4 motors if you're going to go the Estes route. And all I had was an E12 6, and I'm like, okay, again, YOLO, Actually, I didn't just go straight into it because that's kind of dangerous. No, I did actually check this on OpenRocket. But Apogee has the .rkt file on their website, so I just tried both motors, or I tried the E12 6 motor in this, and it's like both delay charges for the Estes E12 motors are like not super ideal. One's early, one's late. So in the end, it wasn't like a huge difference. And yeah, besides that, it flew really nice, came close. Actually, I was not able to catch this on video. Maybe I was. I haven't seen actually the 360 cam video, but when it was kind of reaching apogee, it kind of came over, and I think it was upside down, and it did actually glide for like a few seconds before it popped the chute. That was really cool. Like that is awesome. So this is such a cool rocket, very cool kit. I mean, come on, how is this not cool? It's a rocket plane. Yeah, you know what? There's nothing more I can say, but this was a great launch. So guys, if you guys want more great launches and some more bad launches, both of those are kind of entertaining to see. Guys, like and subscribe on this video. Leave a comment if you really enjoyed. And please stay tuned for more. I have tons of awesome rocketry content videos on this channel. So yeah, guys, I hope I'll see you guys again next time.